What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today, at this current moment, at this very second, my hair is soaking wet. I just finished washing and conditioning my hair, and I am going to be trying out Zendaya's curly hair routine on my channel today. I'm so excited. I absolutely love trying out other people's curly hair routines because you never know what's going to work perfect for you. Why not try out new things, new products, and see how it goes? One of the reasons I chose Zendaya is, one, because she's absolutely stunningly gorgeous, whether her hair is short, long, medium length, whether it's curly, straight, wavy. I mean, she looks so gorgeous no matter what she does. She is so iconic. She dances, she sings, she acts. Like, what doesn't she do? The last reason I wanted to try out Zendaya's hair routine is because her video was like 2 minutes. She's got a very short and sweet and precise routine, and her hair turns out amazing. That is always the goal. Time management is always a problem for me, and on my wash days it usually takes me forever. She only uses one styling product. That's just a little hint of what's to come. If this is the first video that you've clicked on my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're not subscribed already, you know the drill. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos on YouTube. And without further ado, I hate having wet hair, so let's go ahead and get this hair styled and dried and see how her routine works on my hair. I'm nervous and I'm excited. The first step in her routine is to, of course, wash and condition your hair, but she does not show what she uses in her video. I use the Raw Curls shampoo and conditioner today, and then she uses a wide tooth comb to detangle, which my hair should be pretty detangled because I went in with an Olaplex treatment earlier today and it's feeling pretty amazing. The next step in her routine is to add styling product, and today we are using this right here. This is the Miss Jessie's Multicultural Curls. It has safflower oil in it, olive fruit oil, and it says the best darn multicultural lotion, period. I've never tried any products from Miss Jessie's, but I have heard a lot of buzz around this product line, so I'm excited to try it out. She only uses this styling product, and basically she just distributes it through her hair, and she just does it with her fingers. She doesn't use a Denman brush, she doesn't use a comb, she doesn't use any of that. Like, literally she just uses her hands to distribute the product, and so that is what we're gonna do. I have no idea how much product I'm actually gonna need because I've never used this before, but we're gonna test it out. Oh, that's supposed to go in the hair, not on the nose. I can't really put my finger on what it smells like, but it does smell nice. And it's pretty thin in consistency. It's not like dripping, but it's definitely a thinner cream. So I'm just gonna start raking it through my hair. Okay, so in her video, she did say that she put a lot of this product. So, I mean, I have it pretty saturated. It definitely feels a little, I don't know, feels a little thick on my hair. Like, maybe I have too much. The next step is to use a microfiber towel. She kind of dries her hair with a microfiber towel before diffusing. This is kind of a step that I would normally do anyway, but I typically use a t-shirt towel and not a microfiber towel. But I'm just gonna go in and start scrunching to get out any excess water, any excess product. I'm a little bit nervous because I typically use some sort of gel in my hair to give me extra hold, so I don't know how it's going to be with just a cream. But I will say this cream does feel like it's gonna be very hydrating, and my curls right now need all the hydration that they can get. And then the last step in her routine is to diffuse her hair, and she uses the same diffuser that I use. She uses the Diva dryer and the Diva fuser. So that is what we're gonna do today, and hopefully I'm gonna come back with really nice results. Say a little prayer, cross your fingers for me, and here we go. my hair is 100% dry now, and before I give you my final thoughts, the last thing that she does is fluff her hair, or what I call it, shaking out the roots. Here are my final results, and I was not expecting these results whatsoever. I'm a little bit in shock. Let's ignore the gray hair. I'm getting my hair colored very, very soon. The fact that I only have one styling product in my hair right now is completely blowing my mind. I'm not sure how long this wash and go will last, but it definitely feels like it's got a little bit of hold. I do have a little bit of frizz happening right here, but it could be just because I didn't distribute the product like I normally would. I do feel like if I would have used like a Denman brush or even my wet brush or something to distribute the product throughout, that maybe I wouldn't have so much frizz right here. Maybe that little section just didn't get as much product on it. The only downfall to this routine is that this product right here does have dimethicone. If you are curly girl method and you stay away from silicones, then this is not going to be a product that you want to try out. Let me go ahead and do a full spin for you guys so that you can see the back as well. So there we have it. What do you guys think? What do you think of my results? Also, let me know in the comments what other curly girls that you would want me to try their routines out here on my channel. I always tell people with curly hair, it is all about trial and error. It's about trying different things out to see what works for you. My hair is a little bit frizzy, but overall, I've got volume, I've got definition, and I think overall it turned out really, really great. I can't wait to see what you guys think of it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.